Dumpster Rental, Massachusetts. Got a renovation project in Massachusetts that's piling up with debris? Let Mark 1 help you clear the way. We offer seamless dumpster rental in Massachusetts, designed to make your cleanup easy and stress-free. Whether it's spring cleaning, yard work, or a full-scale remodel, we have the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. Forget about overflowing trash cans and endless trips to the dump, we've got you covered. Our team of experts is here to help you choose the right dumpster for your Massachusetts project. No matter the size of your project, we'll ensure efficient waste removal to keep things running smoothly. Free yourself from the clutter and focus on creating the Massachusetts space you've always dreamed of. Enjoy quick and convenient delivery with our advanced hook lift system, and don't worry about your driveway. At Mark 1, we prioritize convenience so you can stay focused on what matters most. Massachusetts residents rely on Mark 1 for trustworthy service and great pricing. Your satisfaction is our priority. We're dedicated to delivering exceptional service every time. Let waste be a thing of the past. Call us at 978-441-0010. Mark 1 is here to turn trash into progress. Proudly serving Massachusetts and making cleanup projects hassle-free.